got this guy, lock and lug. Tried to hammer a socket onto it, and it decided to just separate. Never seen that before. But there's like, I don't know if you can see it in the back. There's a lip, so like this is still back here. But this ring is just completely broke loose, so that sucks. Alright, well, first I tried to weld this nut to the end of it, but this sleeve was still on there. And when I welded it, I got a couple turns, but this thing snapped off, sheared that off, obviously. It just broke off of that, so the whole thing fell off. The weld in the middle, it just boogered up and didn't adhere to anything. So then I took a grinder and I taped off the wheel, and I just ground this until I could smash a extraction socket onto it. If you don't have these, go get yourself a set of them. I've got an old Craftsman set. I tried the emergency extraction lug nut tool thing from AutoZone. It wasn't big enough to fit over this stuff. Probably would have fit over this once it was all welded and cut to pieces and shit, but these things work great. They bite into it really well, and turn it off. Alright, so this is the other side. I always tape it up. So tape it up so none of the sparks and stuff from your grinder mess up your wheel too bad. And then I have like a tarp welding blanket thing. It's not really a welding blanket though, because it caught on fire the other night when I was welding. So I don't know what it is. Sorry. My dad gave it to me forever ago. I used it for welding, like to keep sparks from landing on things. This is where it burned. Really doesn't look burned. Oh, there, you can see. Sorry, you can see that part's burned, but this is what I use. It's like smoking again. I thought it was supposed to be like fire. A little nick right there. Not wanting to do that, dude. Alright. If yours is like ours, or mine, it had this like shitty round ring around it that I can't get out now. What I did was I took off the little chunks that I had ground off or cut off with the cutting wheel so I could get to this. Then I put a screwdriver underneath it because it's like really thin, shitty metal. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty thin. And I just like bent it out until it broke. So now you can get, hopefully, your extractor, like your nut or bolt extractor on that. That's what I'm using. All right, I had to grind another chunk off. Hopefully, I can get this bad boy on there. Nope. And it looks like I'm gonna have to take, it's still not fitting on there. Even if I hammer that, it's not gonna go. Probably have to take just this little nub off right there. So I just used my little sledge, put that thing on there, got it on there pretty good. So hopefully this breaks loose.
Broke loose.
success. Yeah, dude. Fucking turd. Got a ding right there. Pretty bummed. I tried. I did the best I could.